Our popular excavators are known for their adaptabilities to work in any worksite and high performance. Its popularity is growing because of its ability to perform side-by-side with mid- and large-size construction machinery regardless of its compact size. It is a valuable addition for a wide range of projects, including engineering, construction, agriculture, and landscaping. With our headquarters located in Koka, Shiga Prefecture, Hitachi Construction Machinery Tierra is responsible for all mini and small excavators and compact wheel loaders of the Hitachi Construction Machinery Group. Hitachi Construction Machinery Tierra sells compact machinery worldwide. Our integrated system gives us complete control over development, production, and sales. Our corporate philosophy is to actively address the challenges that society faces with technology, and we pursue that mission every day by producing high-quality products from our 2 factories located in Shiga and Osaka. The merits of being a member of the Hitachi Construction Machinery Group allow us to maintain our status as a decisive and cutting-edge company as we introduce the newest IoT technologies and advance automation, improve safety and prevention, implement tablet-based workflow, and other revolutionary innovations. Before we became Hitachi Construction Machinery Tierra, our company was known as Toyosha Company Limited. We manufactured agricultural machinery such as Hinomoto tractors, combine harvesters, and rice transplanters. In 1990, Toyosha Company Limited became a member of the Hitachi Construction Machinery Group and transitioned to the development and production of construction machinery. In 1997, our company was renamed Hitachi Construction Machinery Tierra and began its full-scale operation. Utilizing the technology and experience accumulated for more than 150 years since our humble beginning in Kumamoto, Kyushu, we will continue to grow as a leader in the small construction machinery industry. Mini excavators can serve a variety of different purposes in different areas, such as construction, agriculture, landscaping, etc. In research and development, we are focused on providing the best operator experience, demanding advanced functionality and usability, while incorporating feedback from sales staff.
結構代を重ねて開発をしていくんで、やっぱその前の世代よりやっぱいいもの、よりいいもの、よりいいものっていうことを心がけてはいますね。あとはやっぱお客さんからその前の機種に対して、ちょっとこういうところ直してほしいだったりとかっていうのがやっぱ意見が出てくるんで、やっぱそれはできる限り応えられるようにという形で開発はしています。やりたいことをきっちりこう筋を通してしまえばやっぱやりたいことをやらせてもらえますし、そのやってることの中でもある程度自分の意見を反映させて自由にやらせてもらえるっていうのはやっぱいいと思います。
In order to accommodate the varied needs of our clients, we operate on an order-based system rather than by mass production. This way, we can customize each model to client specifications, proceed to assembly and aesthetics, and fulfill orders in a timely manner.
自分の作り上げたものがしっかり街で工事現場とかで見られるんで、そういうのがしっかり動いているのを見るとやりがい感じます。年上の方も、よく見てもらえるんで、上下関係もあるんですけど、その中でもしっかり信頼関係を持って仕事できている、とてもいい環境だと思います。今でも、新しいことにチャレンジさせてもらうことが、多いんで、これからもっと、もう若い力を使って、会社のために貢献できるように頑張りたいと思います。
In addition to complying with all ISO 9001 standards, Hitachi Construction Machinery Tierra conducts regular quality assurance meetings with all branches worldwide and has established a support system capable of addressing detailed inquiries from both clients and management alike. These enable us to offer multifaceted support for a product's entire life cycle. Our thorough commitment to product quality in all locations continues to define us as the standard for quality worldwide. As an environmentally conscious company, Hitachi Construction Machinery Tierra gained ISO 14001 Environmental Management System certification in our efforts to reduce our environmental impact as much as possible. We actively consider the environment from the beginning of the development and design process, and we are always looking for opportunities to further reduce our impact in everyday operations. Low carbon emissions, high recycling rate, coexistence with nature. These are the Hitachi Construction Machinery Group's 3 visions for an environmentally friendly future, and our policies are all oriented towards making these visions a reality. Additionally, we are also committed to being a positive influence on our local communities, sponsoring various artistic and cultural events, as well as partnering with NPOs and educational institutions on a variety of joint projects.
日立建機テーラは建設機械、それも油圧ショベル、ホイールローダーという製品をお客様に届けてます。届けるだけじゃなくて価値を届けると、製品を通してお客様の課題解決につながるようなソリューション、かゆいところに手が届くような製品を届けたいと思ってます。で、お客様に対してはそういう役割なんですけど、私の立場で、社員に対して従業員に対してできることは安全で健康な職場を作ることだと思ってます。年齢、性別、国籍問わず誰でも働ける職場を目指しております。
We are not afraid of change, and we will continue building a future for the following generations by developing revolutionary products, producing added value that addresses real needs, and supplying total solutions that surpass client expectations.